Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I often see husband and wife targeting each other, attacking each other, competing with each other as man and wife. We're not supposed to target each other or compete with each other. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created both husband and wife with their clear job description and their clear-cut roles in a household and in the community. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not create us to compete each other. He created us to complement each other, right? Even at nikah, you must have listened to so many nikah khwans or imams and shayukh telling you that husband and wives are created to actually provide sakina to each other, right? And another aspect that we actually shield each other. Husband and wife are a shield for each other, are a garment to each other. And why would Allah say so? Because we shield each other against evil, against shaitan, against desires, against wrongdoings, because we protect each other. We protect each other, we beautify each other, we complement each other. So if we actually look at each other as competitors, we can never have a good relationship and good sync between us. And as a husband and a wife, we cannot have good syncing, good alignment between this relationship, this spark relationship that is formed in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly said that nikah is my sunnah, right? It's Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah. So the Muslims or the believers who follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam are actually completing a part of his sunnah. And it's very important to understand that not only having nikah as part of his sunnah, but having a good relationship and having a beautiful relationship between husband and wife for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is also part of the sunnah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly said, the best among you is the best to his wives, right? So, and similarly, wives should also be looking at the utmost respectful relationship and the respectful conduct towards their husband. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said that if sajda or prostration was allowed to any human being, I would have asked the woman to prostrate or do sajda to her husband. So these ahadith show us the respectful relationship and the level, the status that Allah has given us towards each other. So we don't compete each other, we complement each other, we protect each other against shaitan, against wrong conduct towards each other and to the society. We protect each other against evil. We build the foundation, the very foundation of our society, just like the cell is the foundation of this body we have. The community's foundation is the family.